Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this collapsible stool with a 3-in-1 cushion bag by NUMANU. Let's check it out. Now, can you believe that there's a little stool contained within this bag right here? And best of all, the company offers a hassle-free lifetime warranty. So if you break it or you just don't like it anymore, reach out to them and they'll take care of you. If you like to be outdoors and you want something portable, but you don't want to be sitting on the ground, then this is the thing for you. Let's open it up and check it out. Inside the bag, we've got some instructions on how to set this up. Got a little drink holder right here, and then we got the collapsible stool right here. And it's kind of funny too, they put a little smiley face underneath this thing. So watch this, presto changeo, done. Don't feel like sitting anymore? Let's not, put it away. Honestly, this thing is super easy to use. It's almost pure genius. You could use the entire size right here, because why wouldn't you? But if you ever wanted to adjust it and make it like a different size, you can also do that. You have like a little footstool or something like that. But anyways, find your perfect spot. Here looks good, boom. Take a seat. Now the bag here can actually turn into a little cushy for your tushy. And if you turn it inside out, you're gonna see there's these white straps on the inside right here, like so. And then you zip it back up inside out. Then a little strappy doos go around the corner here. Oh, next level kind of stuff right there. Now the bag does double as a cushion and it's a nice improvement. I did see some reviews where people are saying like, the stool's not comfortable. And I'm like, okay, well then just, sit on the rocks instead then. And then don't forget, we've got a drink holder right here. We've got 2 snaps, one right on the bottom, one up on top, and then all we need is a nice tasty beverage. Booyah God, right there. Now the stool itself has an upgraded base mold that's gonna be thicker and sturdier. It's made of a high-grade polypropylene plastic and can hold a weight load of up to 400 pounds. Don't try this at home, kids. Train professional. That's a lot of trust right there. So I think this thing is great, perfect for anything outdoors, hiking, camping, outdoor events, concerts, maybe you're waiting in line for some new Star Wars tickets, whatever. You want something compact and portable that pops up and goes away super simple, and best of all, you can't beat the price. If that's something that you're looking for, then this is the thing that you're gonna wanna check out.